Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about my favorite Temu brands. So as I mentioned in one of my last Temu videos, I talked about maybe introducing this type of video where I talk about my favorite brands from the site. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite type of brands, the ones that you should keep an eye out for because they have really great products. If you want to see what those brands are, just keep on watching. So why don't we start off with IBCC NDC, the longest name in history, but basically I have two products from this brand. The first one is the Power Grip Primer, which is a alleged dupe of the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Looks like so. I have talked about this on my channel many times before. It comes with a pump. I talked about the similarities and the differences between the two products. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna have my Temu playlist linked down below. But this is a really good primer, and also the blush. So you guys saw this in action as well. This is a Pixi alleged dupe. This is the On The Go blush. It's a tinted moisturizer stick in the shade Shy Pink. Literally looks like a deodorant, but it is a cream blush, and this is so good. Let me give it a little baby swatch for you guys, just so you guys can see the color. They have this specific product in a total of 3 colors, I believe, a more like orangey and a darker pink, and it's just such a beautiful formula. You guys have seen it in action, as I mentioned. So this is a brand that I'd say keep an eye out for. If you see it, you know, take a look at their products. These two specifically are really great, and I've really been enjoying them. They're definite favorites on they're definite favorites in my collection, and they're just really great. So love the packaging as well. Of course, they do come out with more duping kind of products that look similar to drugstore products, high-end products. They literally you know, stick to that kind of realm, but this looks like products that are more from the drugstore that they dupe specifically. But I haven't seen any other products from this brand that kind of call out to me. I have to go back on the site and see, but these two, girl, so good. And if I didn't mention this before, I'm gonna have everything linked down below if you want to shop. But yeah, so these are really great, and even though the brand name is so long and extra, girl, the products themselves are so good. Next, let's talk about Pop Feel. So this is another brand that they have very much duping kind of products. I think everyone that I purchased from the site have, for the most part, duping high-end products, duping products that I know, just because it makes it fun for me to review it for you guys to see if they're worth it or not. And the first product we have is a Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid foundation. You guys know this is a favorite. I literally use it all the time. I just wish it was a tad lighter. It's just a little too dark for me, but girl, this is so good. Even with my oily skin, the hyaluronic acid in here, I don't know if that's what makes it more on the glowy side, but it looks amazing on the skin. It gives you such a beautiful natural finish. Love it, girl. And I use mine in the shade P2023. Comes in like 2 other shades. We also have the Pop Feel Level Up mascara, which is an alleged dupe for the ColourPop mascara. Now this isn't the greatest mascara in the world. Do I love it? You know, it's cute. I don't really love the wand of this product, but you know, it's cute. I only bought it because of the packaging, so the actual formula is like whatever. This is a Pop Feels lipstick in the shade, I literally don't know, but it looks like one of the ColourPop lippy pencils. As you can see, it's really cute. I was like, okay, let's try it out, but I don't know what it is. I'm just not really that impressed with this. So yeah, very much hit or miss vibes. This is the color that I got. Again, I'm gonna have everything linked down below if you want to shop on there, but this is a really cute product. It's really creamy. That's the thing. Like, it moves a lot. It feels very melty, like it's already melting. The color itself is beautiful, but I talked about this when I ranked my products from that haul. This is not a favorite, so this is very interesting to see, you know, the products that you should stay away from and the products that are really amazing. Again, foundation, girl, 10 out of 10. Love this. So if you're looking for a foundation on the site, definitely check out Pop Feel. But for their other products like mascara, lippy pencils, they're just a flop for me. This is a brand that I'd say, you know, read the reviews on. Again, amazing, not that great. Also depends on who you are, what kind of products work with you. You know, we're all different, and that's why makeup is so amazing, because we all have different experiences using them. So again, try it out, girl. Pop Feel is a good brand in my opinion. It's just some products I'd say be careful. I didn't want to make this video super long, so I just have 4 brands to talk about today. But if you like this type of video, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely make more. So next brand is Poudier, girl. If you guys know me, you guys know this is, I think, my top favorite. Maybe one of the 2 top favorite brands from Temu. I have their Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray. Now this one does come in multiple variations. We have a pink shimmery one, which I do own. That one did come with a faulty sprayer, but this one here has really worked out for me. So this is an alleged MAC Fix Plus dupe. Really cute. Really love the spray. I think it does an amazing job. Now, does it keep me matte throughout the whole day. I'm not sure, I haven't noticed, but I'll definitely have to keep an eye out for that. But so cute. Definitely am not disappointed with this. Setting spray for me is the most important thing, is that the sprayer gives you a nice little mist to your skin, and this one, it's just so nice and refreshing, and it's so cute and compact as well. Perfect for travel. Amazing, love this. I also really loved their foundation. So I did talk about this in my Shop My Stash recently. I had pulled it. The shade itself is just a little too light for me, so I need to find a color that's a little, maybe a shade darker. This is a Pretty Air full coverage foundation. It's just a matte foundation. I've talked about it, I've used it, girl, on my channel. I've talked about it in favorites videos. It's actually a really good foundation, but for right now in the summer when I'm getting a little more tan, not the greatest. It just looks so white on me, but yeah, still an amazing product. It wears really nicely and it blends in really nicely. Mascara, girl, this is so good. Another product that I rave about all the time is their Sky High mascara from Pretty Air. Also another one, I could not put this down when I first got it, girl. This was so good. Now the wand itself is not too big, it's not too small. It's a nice like in between kind of size, so I really love this product. I love the packaging. Love the actual product, is amazing. So Pretty Air is another brand that I'd say check out if you're looking for makeup products on the site. Yeah, this is a brand to keep an eye out for because they have some really great products. Again, setting spray, mascara, foundation are all so good. And last brand we're going to talk about is Hudamoji. So this is so funny because I remember seeing this on the site for the first time. I was like, Huda Beauty? Oh no, Hudamoji. So Hudamoji literally dupes so many Huda Beauty products, or allegedly dupes their products. The first one here is a Well Jaguar palette. This is like one of the first purchases that I got on Temu. If you guys know, I've done a total of 7 hauls so far on my channel, so definitely check those out if you want to see what other products I've gotten. But basically a lot of Hudamoji products are palette based. So here's a look at this palette. It's actually really nice. I'd say a nice like medium, you know, in between kind of. It's cute, but is it the greatest? You know, it's in the in-between. I actually did rank all my Temu eyeshadow palettes so far, the ones that I have purchased so far in my Temu journey, so that video is going to be linked down below. Everything's in the playlist, but this is actually a really cute one as well. My favorite at the moment is the Empowered Hudamoji palette. So cute. Love the packaging, girl. Also another one that I've talked about, literally ranked on my palette, so you guys know what's what. But there's a look at this color story. Really love the packaging. It's really nice and sturdy, so love the actual like front cover of it as well. 2 newer products from Hudamoji are their face palettes. This is the Cheek Glitters Pink Squad palette. It does come with a total of 2 bronzers. We get 2 highlights and 2 blushes in here, and this is so cute. If you guys saw my haul video, amazing. I also did use it on my face as well. And I also have my Hudamoji Bellini palette. So this is basically just a blush and highlight palette, which looks like so. Now the quality of Hudamoji is very, like I said in the beginning when I started talking about them, it's very in between. It's kind of like meh. You know, it's cute to look at. I love that I own it. It's amazing. I would, if I could go back, I would buy it again. It's cute. But is it the top tier when you think of what brand it's duping? No, it's not going to be the same, girl. Packaging, you know, they could do all they want, but the actual formula is never going to be the same. But the formula is good. It's cute. You know, is it the best in the world? No, but it's cute. I don't really love the highlights in these 2 face palettes, which I've mentioned in my other videos, but bronzers and blushes are so good. So yeah, that's it. That's all we have to talk about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want to see from me. These are like the ideas, you know, we're working together. What do you guys want to watch? Let me know in the comments down below and I can make it happen. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.